Namaskar. Sadya is the main emotion of appliance. Cut. Namaskar. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ ഓണാശംസകൾ.
Which means a very happy Onam to everyone from Team Appliance.
സദ്യ ഇല്ലാണ്ട് എന്തോണം അല്ലേ ശ്വേത?
അതെ. Every Onam I wake up thinking about payasam.
Payasam മാത്രം. Payasam, thoran, kalan, pappadam.
Sure. That is such a good memory, no?
Sadya is the main emotion of Onam. We are from Kochi
I am from Trivandrum.
and we are going to cook Sadya on
Appliance, India's first AI cooking assistant.
അപ്പോൾ ഈ വർഷം ഓണസദ്യ അപ്ലയൻസിനോടൊപ്പം.
അത് പൊളിക്കും. So Gokul, what are you cooking?
This Onam, I'll cook rasam.
Shweta, what about you?
I will be cooking payasam, my favorite.
Okay, then let me cook avial.
Awesome. So we'll be adding ghee and almonds and cashews in the first step. What are you guys doing?
For my avial, I have my ingredients here.
Okay.
Carrots, everything else. I have cut it and kept it ready. Now I just have to, when we cook for Onam at home, there'll be like some 10-20 people in the kitchen cutting, chopping.
Hey, what is the highlight of your Onam?
My Onam, it's basically about family gatherings. A lot of cousins coming home, having sadya together. So most of my Onam start off by going to the temple, praying.
Yeah, same. What about pookalam, tug of war?
All of that, like games will come, no? Like all the uncles somewhere on the back side of the house will nicely have 2-3.
Oh yeah, it's so nice.
And then after that they will come in to play tug of war, and then dhoti is getting off. Out of that. So my vegetables for avial are getting boiled over here.
And my rasam is also getting prepared.
I only have 32 seconds left.
How easy has it become, no, to cook sadya?
Oh yeah, for a person who really cannot cook, this is a blessing because I'm not someone who cooks and I never thought I will ever cook for sadya. But today I'm able to do it and I'm super happy. I think it's the same for you guys. You know how to cook.
I do cook once in a while, but never imagined that I will be able to make sadya. Best part is, see, my hands are still clean. It smells so nice.
Yeah, it smells amazing. So the next step is to add roasted vermicelli. Yeah,
By the
so
way,
this is happening.
the payasam smells so good.
Yeah, it is one of my favorite dishes on appliance. I highly recommend you guys to try it.
Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, guys.
Yes. What will your mom tell if she knows you are cooking?
അമ്മ ഞെട്ടും.
അമ്മയ്ക്ക് വിശ്വസിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഞാൻ എന്തായാലും ഫോട്ടോ എടുത്തായിരിക്കും. ഞാൻ പറയാം അമ്മ.
My mom will never imagine I made avial. I need to add curry leaves, coconut oil and the blended paste for avial. Now I am going to add the blended paste for avial, which we had made on a blender.
In the same step, I will be adding water and sugar.
Before sadya, I need to have payasam. I am very much going to welcome all my friends and cousins, and I will be like, I am going to prepare sadya for all of you.
And they won't believe you. First.
100% they are not
won't
going to believe me. I just reached the second step, and even now, just try smelling the avial. It smells so good.
Oh my god, it actually does.
I just added all the required ingredients now, and I'm just going to let appliance do the cooking for me.
Me too.
So now this is the final step and I'm gonna cook payasam. So I just have to click on start and appliance will do the cooking for me.
My avial is ready, guys.
And the payasam is also ready to serve.
രസം ഉഷാറാണ്.
This smell takes us back home. Like it's so good.
Whoa.
I can't wait.
Sadya is
Officially started.
our mini Onam Sadya away from home is ready.
And I really can't wait to try this.
പിന്നെ ഇതിനെ താമസിക്കണം.
I'm gonna try the payasam.
Really delicious.
Okay, give me. I'm so hungry.
This is so
Oh
good.
my god, the rasam is very nice.
This is so good.
എല്ലാവർക്കും happy Onam.
Cut.